Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of finding me, you are welcome to this amazing community. And today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. I got this SML professional photo and video LED light kit. I live in Lagos, Nigeria. We have issues with constant power supply. I'm not happy about this. I'm not proud of it, but it is our reality. So I had to get something that would make it easier for me to just up and go, because it doesn't just work with electricity, it also works with rechargeable batteries. A lot of people have been using this, but this is my very first time and I'm super excited, and I can't wait to unbox it. Let's do it together.
This is the power plug cable.
It's quite long.
This is the adjustable angle pole swivel hot shoe mount. And this is one of the rechargeable batteries. Here are the two batteries. This is the battery charger. It charges one battery at a time. So this is where you attach the battery to and then plug it to electricity to recharge. And this is the power supply adapter. This is for when you want to use electricity to power the LED light. So you go in with the power plug cable and it is ready. And this is the LED light panel. You can use the hot shoe mount to attach the LED light to the tripod stand. One good thing about this device is it is very easy to assemble. I didn't even have to look at the manual. I just figured everything out by just looking at it. You can also attach the LED light to the tripod stand without the hot shoe mount. You can increase or reduce your brightness. You can also change your color. You can play around with the color. I also tried using the batteries to power the LED lights. Mission accomplished!
This is an amazing move for me, and I can't wait to share with you all the things that I'm going to be achieving with this new LED 600 lights. Thank you for staying with me till the end of this video, and I look forward to doing this with you again soon. Until then,